Ooh, look at this. Minimal effort, minimal ingredients, maximum taste. Hi guys, it's Rose and welcome back to She's Lazy Vegan and another Cook With Me video. Today, we are going to be veganizing a viral recipe. So New York Times came out with their top 50 greatest recipes of all time. Ooh. I kind of want to do a series trying out and veganizing a bunch of these recipes, so let me know if that's something that you would like to see. So to kick things off, we are going to try making the viral gochujang buttered noodles. This actually won, I think, the best recipe or the greatest recipe of 2023, something along those lines. Very popular recipe, tons of 5-star reviews. I am going to veganize this recipe. I'm going to leave you a link to my veganized recipe blog post below, so if you could give me a 5-star review on that would be fantastic. Before we jump into the recipe, if you love Korean food and if you want to travel to Korea, but you are vegan or maybe very heavily plant-based and you don't know if you're going to be able to eat good, well, I have the solution for you because I am hosting a vegan food tour in Korea in October of 2025. Yes, my friends, as you might know, I love hosting vegan trips around the world, and I've been wanting to do Korea because obviously it's my home country and I want to show you guys the beauty that is Korea and of course all the delicious food that Korea has to offer. So I finally have a trip for you that you can book now, okay? So the link is below for you to get all the details, the itinerary and everything. I'm so excited. It's gonna be an 8-night, 9-day tour. We're gonna be doing a temple stay, which means we will stay overnight at a Buddhist temple, which means we're gonna eat Korean temple food, which is vegan by default and so delicious. We're also gonna be visiting 3 different cities. We're gonna be doing a bunch of cultural activities, eating tons of delicious food. We're gonna do a vegan kimchi class, a yacht tour in Busan, go to some UNESCO sites. It's gonna be awesome. So check it out. Link is below for you to book your spot. You only have to pay 20% down for now to hold your spot. I hope to see you guys there. I'm so excited. Korea 2025, here we come. All right, so first things first, you are going to want to boil some water and we're going to boil some spaghetti. You can obviously use any pasta of your choice, but I think spaghetti is the best. Spaghetti, if you don't speak English. So we're gonna cook up some spaghetti. Okay. There you go, let that cook. You're gonna wanna save some pasta water, okay? So don't drain it all out. We're gonna let it cook first for at least like, I don't know, I'd say at least 5 minutes before we take some of that pasta water out. So while the pasta is cooking, we can make the delicious sauce. So what we're gonna do is take some vegan butter. I'm using this one here. This is my go-to. It's easy, it's simple, it's cheap enough, it's great, okay? And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. We're gonna save another tablespoon for later. We're gonna heat up some vegan butter. We're gonna do like medium-low heat. This has been heating up for a while, so it might be a bit stronger than I would want. So I'm just gonna kind of take it off the heat, and I am gonna just turn down the heat just a little bit because we're also gonna be cooking up some garlic. My friends, ooh, is this? Why is this not strong? This thing is not very strong. Okay, so we're moving this. So we're heating up this vegan butter, and then what we're gonna do is add some minced garlic. I've got a ton of garlic here, okay? My rule is, when it comes to garlic, as much as you want, okay? That's the rule. So if you wanna know how to always have minced garlic, make sure you check out my garlic hack video. I always have minced garlic because I hate mincing garlic, but I love garlic. So check that out. So we are going to just cook up like, you know, enough garlic to kill an entire family of vampires. So we're just gonna lightly cook it until fragrant, okay? You don't wanna burn this, so be careful, okay? Maybe I did do too much garlic for the, no, you know what? There's no such thing as too much garlic. Anyway, so just a couple of minutes or so, just to let that garlic become fragrant. If the heat is too strong, just kind of take it off the heat a little bit. Yeah, I may have gone a little overboard with the garlic, but you know. Now we can add in a little salt. I don't know how much I'll need. I'm gonna add about ½ a teaspoon for now. Let's see, because I don't wanna over salt it because you can always add salt later. And then we can add gochujang. So gochujang is Korean red pepper paste. It's a very thick red paste that us Koreans are basically addicted to. So we are going to just turn the heat up just a little bit, add that gochujang. We're also gonna add some maple syrup. You can use a cheaper syrup. Let's be honest, I'm using a fake maple syrup, okay? Because maple syrup is expensive, okay? Pure maple syrup is expensive. So I save that for, I don't know, when I'm just like having pancakes, which is never, but you know, for something like this, you don't need to use pure maple syrup, but you know, you do you, okay? Maple syrup or agave nectar, some sort of a honey replacement. And we're also gonna add rice vinegar. Now, I ran out of rice vinegar, so instead I'm actually using white wine vinegar, which I'm sure will be fine, okay? So we're just going to stir this on medium-high heat. Just let that kind of just melt with the heat and everything. All right, so I believe it has come together. There you go, there's the sauce. Very easy, very simple. All right, so we're just gonna wait for the pasta to finish cooking. This is very easy. Yeah, okay. I'll be back. So I've saved the pasta water, cooked up the pasta. We're gonna add this in. Now we're gonna add little splashes of the pasta water at a time, okay? I've cooked the pasta al dente, so it's a little bit firmer. So we're just gonna mix this, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in that remaining butter, vegan butter, and we're just gonna let that melt in. Looks good. Just make sure you get that really nicely mixed. Kind of want to bring this to a slight, not a boil, let it kind of cook a little bit with the sauce. Now I also have a creamy gochujang pasta recipe, which is also really simple if you guys want to check that out. It's slightly different from this one. I'll link that recipe as well below. If you love gochujang, I mean, I got tons of gochujang videos, okay? So look at that. Now, normally if I was to eat this for dinner, I would probably add in some sort of a plant-based protein. Maybe I add in some like smoked tofu, my tofu bacon. I might add in some chickpeas or something like this, because otherwise I'll probably be hungry in 2 seconds, but that is just a suggestion. Now at this point, you might want to give it a little taste and maybe add some salt and pepper if you want. Oof, look at that. All right, now it's sizzling a bit. So the gochujang itself does have like a lot of flavor and is salty. Keep that in mind, okay? Ooh, look at this. Okay. Ooh, I don't need anything else. It's actually perfectly salty. Wow, that's actually really good. Okay, I'm gonna plate it. I made 2 servings, so let me plate this and then let's give it a real taste. All right. Ooh, look at that. Let's plate her. Doesn't she look fabulous? I never know how to plate pasta. I need to learn how to do that. Like nicely plate it, you know? She looks so good. It literally takes like 10 minutes. And then optionally you can add in some chopped green onions. So that, and I love adding that because it adds like that really nice pop of color. And again, totally optional, maybe some sesame seeds. I'm gonna add some black sesame seeds too, just for color. Look at this. Literally 10-minute gochujang buttered noodles, veganized. Looks so good. Let's try it. All right, even though I've already kind of tried it, this is the official taste test. Let's see what all the fuss is about. I mean, I will say this is a very, very easy recipe. Points for that. Look at this. Oh my god. It's so good. The perfect amount of flavor, just the right amount of spicy for me. It's nice and buttery and smooth and savory and slightly sweet at the same time. It's so good. seriously so good. I see why it's like popular, because minimal effort, minimal ingredients, maximum taste. If I was served this at a restaurant, I would be very happy. Very, very happy. That was the veganized version of gochujang buttered noodles. Definitely a yay from me. It is super easy, simple, low effort, yet so delicious. So if you guys want the veganized version of this recipe, check out my blog post linked below. Make sure you scroll down and give me a 5-star review if you enjoyed it. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of me veganizing this recipe. Give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, don't forget to check out my vegan tour that I'm hosting in South Korea, my home country. If you want to eat some delicious Korean food, hang out with me for over a week and explore Korea together. It's gonna be super epic. I'm so excited, and there are limited spots available. So make sure you book your spot now. You only have to pay 20% down to hold your spot. Again, the link is below. And while we're on it, I'm also hosting a Canadian vegan hiking and camping trip. We're actually going to the Canadian Rockies. I actually live right by the Canadian Rockies, so it's like you're coming to my backyard. It's gonna be super awesome. It's gonna be a hiking and camping trip. So if you're into the outdoors, if you don't mind camping in tents, it's gonna be super epic. We're gonna be visiting all of the amazing sites. Banff, we're gonna do the Banff Gondola. We're going to hike in Lake Louise. We're gonna do Moraine Lake. We're also gonna finish off the trip in Kananaskis Nordic Spa. So those 2 trips will be linked below if you guys are interested in coming along. Hopefully I'll see you guys there. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!